To get us started on this, our first project called My Favorite Things, we've got instructions here on week 1. We're going to make a local folder on this computer. I always give you the name of the folder, so I expect you to highlight what's in purple there and copy it. You can right-click and copy, but I want you to learn the keyboard shortcut because you can't always do that. Holding down Control with your left pinky finger and tapping the C key with your pointer finger on the same hand will do the same thing. We're then going to open the File Explorer app and navigate to our Documents folder. It should be here as a file folder. If you need to, you can type File and find the app here as well. You never want to use the quick access. Stay away from that. Instead, click on this PC over here on the left-hand side. Sometimes this left-hand side isn't visible. That's because this navigation pane may have been turned off. If you go to View, you can adjust what it is that you see. These little arrows to the left are what I call opening up the different folders that are inside there. You want to find your Documents folder. Clicking on it will show you what's in it. Clicking on the little symbol next to it will also open it up. I need you to be able to do this. So we're going to make a new folder. This is the easiest way. There's a little new folder icon right there. When you click on it, whatever we've copied, we can now hold down the Control button with our left pinky finger and tap the V key right next to C, and it pastes it right in there. When you press Enter, that folder has been created. We're not seeing what's in the folder until we either click on it here or double click on it here. Now we're inside the folder. All of our project stuff for this project is going to be here. And you can see the address. It's on this PC in the Documents folder, and then we're inside our project folder. This is where we're going to save the Word document that will have the writing in it for our Favorite Things essay.